Unong thao an kaseng Congress ubana umsning. I Dr. Celestine Lengdo labu I kejingkali kentup. Ha kayeng dorbar mentakasngi bad ulakali ba hato kinong bishar kibala syong tat kendang beteng benyo Jingmyntoi kum ki VVIP haba jubab yakani kementri kabadai kmi ia katanat an ikong amprin Lengdo. Ila ong ba Baroh kini ki Jingmyntoi Kiba la ai syakihe Nongbishar bat ki Nongbishar kidai kibala ai Katkum ka an jang kayeng dorbar parlimen. Ila ong ru ba kadai ka kamram jang ka sarkar jela ban yale ban penne ya kekerdan jang ki Nongbishar.
One, secretarial assistance under domestic help allowances, Chief Justice 50,000 per month, judges 40,000 per month. 2, medical facilities, sir. Full medical reimbursement as applicable to the sitting judge under the Meghalaya Medical Attendance Rules 2021 in all empaneled hospitals.
My supplementary question is, do the retired judges continue to be VVIP after retirement?
Honorable Speaker, sir, all of these facilities accorded to justices and judges of the High Court are mandated by an Act of Parliament, sir. We are committed to these obligations. And further, sir, several Supreme Court judgments have also recommended for these necessary interventions.
Usambut